For our listeners na nagmahal, nasaktan, nagpakatanga, pero gusto po namin ipag-feel sa kanila na hindi po sila nag-iisa sa moving on journey nila. Yeah.
At saka, this song rin po is produced and written by Mr. Zach Tabudo. And when we are conceptualizing, we wanted to let them feel that sometimes okay din maging tanga. Okay lang yun.
Actually, ito yung in-admire ko in this generation kasi aside from making music, you empower each other with your talent and nag-explore kayo ng mga collaborations.
Yes, and honestly, sobrang inspired kami by Miss Kichi. Ako personally laking Kichi na dahil medyo. Yes, and you're an inspiration to a lot of artists, especially ngayon, kasi nagpo-perform at nagpo-produce ka pa rin po ng music while being a mom!
Grabe!
Grabe yun.
And always remember to cherish your relationship kasi nasa lyrics nyo rin naman eh. Sabi nga, ni mama, di ba?
Sabi nga ni mama.
Family will always guide and